Hi, I'm Olivia. Today's lesson is about letters and phonics in English. Today's letters are from A to M. To recognize and say each sound in English is very important. So let's get started. Listen to each word and try to repeat the sound. Apple. A. Ball. Bo. Cat. Ka. Dog. D. Egg. E. Fish. F. Game. G. House. H. Igloo. I. Jar. J. Kangaroo. K. Lion. L. Mouse. M. Today we learnt the sounds of the letters of the alphabet from A to M. Words that show the sounds from A to M. Thank you for watching. See you later.